In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Snapchat app and then right here tap at your profile picture or at your Bitmoji. Now here tap at that gear icon to open up settings, and once you are on settings, just scroll down to the very bottom where you can find blocked. Just tap on that and it shows you all users that you have blocked on Snapchat, and now here you can unblock them just by simply tapping on that cross icon next to user's name. Just hit right here. It asks me if I want to unblock that user. I can hit on yes, and that's it. I have just unblocked a user on Snapchat. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.